Hello students, welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing about the various dance forms of India. So what are type of dance forms there in India? So basically the India is a vast cultural heritage country. India has a huge cultural heritage because India is a union of states and union territory. Union of means the group of states and union territory. We know that there are 28 states and 9 union territories in India. So each state, each union territory has its own culture. All these states and union territories together makes India culture is a vast cultural heritage. So each state has its own dance styles. Each union territory will have its own style dance. Some states dance recognized as a classical dances, and each and every state will have its not only classical dance, also folk dances and tribe dances associated with the states and union territories. We can broadly classify dance forms of India into three categories: classical dance, folk dance and tribal dance. So tribal dance is nothing but in India we have various wide variety of tribes living in India in different states, especially in northeastern states in India. So first we will discuss about classical dance, and then the folk dance and tribal dance we will discuss combinedly. So each of the dance form in India has their own style and their cultural value based upon the which state. Each dance style represents the state cultural values. So in India we have one organization, authority, that is Sangeet Natak Academy, that is the government body, government organization that recognize the classical dances. So if a dance needs to get a recognition as a classical dance, so it needs to get recognized by the Sangeet Natak Academy. It's a government organization. It gives the recognition to the various dance forms. It will recognize a dance form as a classical dance form. So till now this Sangeet Natak Academy recognizes 8 classical dances. Those are Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Kathakali, Satriya, Manipuri and Mohini Attam. These are the 8 classical dances are recognized by the Sangeet Natak Academy. Not only this, we have some scholars. Scholar is nothing but expert in some field. Here we are talking about dance field. So the experts in the dance field, those are scholars like Drid Williams. They are recommending, they wanted some other dances need to be included in the classical dance list. Those are Chow and Yakshagana. So the scholars also recommending Chow and Yakshagana as a classical dance into the classical dance list. Additionally we have various central ministries. So Indian Ministry of Culture also includes Chow dance as a classical dance list. So this is about classical dances, and we will discuss. There are 8 major classical dances which are recognized by Sangeet Natak Academy, and we will see which classical dance from which state. So first we will proceed with the Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam from Tamil Nadu state. Next one, Kathak. Kathak is from Uttar Pradesh, North India. Next, Kathakali. Kathakali from Kerala, South India. Don't get confused between the Kathak and Kathakali. So Kathak is from Uttar Pradesh, Kathakali is from Kerala. Next one is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is also very important classical dance, that is from Andhra Pradesh. Next one is Odissi. Odissi is a classical dance form from the Odisha state. Next, Satriya. Satriya also very important. I will tell why it is important. So Satriya classical dance form from Assam. Next, Manipuri. Manipuri is a classical dance from Manipur state from Northeast India. Next, Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is one of the classical dances that is from Kerala. So now from Kerala we have two classical dances, that those are Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. And out of these 8 classical dances, Satriya is Satriya is important in the sense Satriya got recognized as a classical dances latest, means this other than the Satriya, other classical dances got recognized from Sangeeta Nataka Academy long back earlier. Satriya is latest recognized classical dances from Assam, very important. So we have two classical dances from Northeast India, those are Satriya from Assam, Manipuri from Manipur. In South India we have 4 classical dances, those are Bharatanatyam from Tamil Nadu, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh, Kathakali from Kerala, Mohiniyattam from Kerala. And North India we have only one, that is Kathak. Northeast we have 2. In North we have 2, Uttar Pradesh Kathak, Odissi from Odisha. Northeast 2, Manipuri from Manipur, Satriya from Assam. The remaining 4 from South India. 2 of them are from Kerala. These are 8 classical dances. The next, the Chao classical dance. It is not officially recognized classical dance form, but we will be considering because some scholars here, I explained it, Reid Williams and other scholars along with him wanted Chao and Yक्षगान need to be included in classical dance. So remember this, Chao is a recommending dance form to consider as a classical dance. The Chao dance is performed by the various states people, mainly Odisha, West Bengal and also Bihar, Jharkhand. So very important. Chao is a dance form performed by the 4 states people, Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar and Jharkhand. Next one is Yક્ષગાન. Yક્ષગાન is also one of the dance form recommended to consider as a classical dance form from Karnataka. So this is about classical dance form, and we will see how each classical dance form, how it appears, how dress style, who are performing these classical dances, we will see in the next form. So here these are the various classical dance form with the appearance and how they look like. So the Bharatanatyam, this is how the dress style and the appearance dance style. This is the Kathakali from Kerala, huge heavy makeup and heavy dress sense. And this is from Manipuri. From Manipur state is Manipuri. Manipuri, a classical dance form. It's like a storytelling about Radha Krishna, Lord Krishna and Radha. Odissi classical dance look like the dress style and the dance style. This is how it look. Next, Satriya from Assam. Remember, we make it on Satriya. The question come like the Satriya classical dance form associated with which state, and he will give 4 options. We need to identify the Assam answer. Next, the Mohiniyattam like they will tie their hair like this, and the dress style and the dance style like this. Next, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh. Out of this classical dance form, Kuchipudi is very different. So most of the classical dance forms includes the abhinaya, the expression, and playing dance along with the music. But in Kuchipudi, the speech also additionally present. So that's how the Kuchipudi dance form is very different from this other classical dance forms. Next we will see the folk dances of India. What are the folk dances there in India? We will see the state wise. So first Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, what are the important folk dances? Vilasini Natyam, Gantam Maradala, Veena Natakam, it's Veedi Natakam, Burrakatha, Kolatam. So these are the folk dances from Andhra Pradesh. Out of this we need to remember Veedi Natakam, Vilasini Natyam, Burrakatha, Kolatam. And Gantamartara also we need to remember. Next, Telangana. When it comes to Telangana, we need to remember the first and foremost important folk dance is Perini Thandavam. Sometimes it is called Perini Shiva Thandavam. It is also called Dance of Warriors. This Perini Thandavam evolved during the Kakatiya ruling. So very important from Telangana. And these are the other. In Telangana we have various tribe, each tribe community having their own dance style. The Gusadi, Lambadi, Dhimsa, Burrakatha, Batkama. So Batkama is we need to remember because Telangana state newly established, separated from United Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana government celebrating Batkama very grandly, gloriously. Batkama is being celebrated in Telangana. So Batkama is in news. Telangana government trying to get its national festival. So Batkama festival, Batkama dance is in news many times. So we need to remember. Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, Kolatam, Puliyattam, Oliyattam. These are the important folk dances. Kolatam. So this Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana surrounded district. So if one dance form presented in one state, maybe it is also the same dance form performed in other states. Maybe suppose if take a Kolatam. Kolatam is mainly performed in Andhra Pradesh, and also Tamil Nadu shared border with Andhra Pradesh state. There may be chance Telugu people settled in Tamil Nadu and they also perform this Kolatam. Suppose sometimes he will give a question like Kolatam folk dance is associated with which state. In that case, sometime if we see the option, if we have Andhra Pradesh, then we will select Andhra Pradesh as an answer. In case if Andhra Pradesh is not there, and then we need to identify the answer, like we need to first check the states which are sharing the border with the Andhra Pradesh. So if Tamil Nadu is present in the options, in the answers list, we need to select the Tamil Nadu as an answer. So that how also we need to remember. If we know the state, surrounding states, the border sharing states, maybe one dance form, same dance form performed by the surrounding states people also. The Kolatam comes under that case. Next, Karnataka. In Karnataka, Yakshagana is very important folk dance form. After Yakshagana, Kunita, Huttari or Hattari. These three are very important. Next, Bayalata, Veeragase. So we need to remember these three at least: Yakshagana, Kunita, Huttari or Hattari. Sometimes some books it is Hattari, Hattari. Some books it is Huttari. In some books it is like Huttar, Huttar. There will be no I present in some textbooks. But remember Huttari, Hattari, Huttar, Hattar. So it is same from Karnataka. Next, from Goa state we have two important folk dances. Those are Mando and Fagdi. Fagdi is very important. Mando is also very very important. This question comes a couple of times in many competitive exam. The Mando associated with which state, Fogdi dance associated with which state. So in exam we will be having at least one question from these dance forms in India. So next state is Kerala. In Kerala, Mohiniyattam is already covered in classical dance form, so ignore here. Next, the folk dances from Kerala state are Chakyar Kuttu, Teyyam, Oppana. Remember these three. Next, Maharashtra. If you take Maharashtra, the Lavani is very very important folk dance form in Maharashtra. Lavani. After Lavani, Tamasha is very very important. Next, Mauni. First you need to remember Lavani and Tamsa are folk dances from Maharashtra. Next, Gujarati. Gujarati is famous for Dandiya and Garba, Dandiya Ras, Bawai. So when it comes to Gujarat state, we need to remember like a shortcut also Garba, G, Gujarat. Remember like the Garba, Dandiya Ras and Bawai. Rajasthan. In Rajasthan we have folk dances like Ghumar, Kalbelia, Julan Leela. So Ghumar is very very important. The last year in 2020 Sainik entrance exam, the question came. The Ghumar folk dance is associated with which state? That is the question in the 2020 Sainik entrance exam. So answer is Rajasthan. Why this Ghumar folk dance came in an exam means, in exam GK, not only GK, we need to follow up the current affairs. What are the cultural relativity activities in the news? What are the dance forms are in the news in recent times? So the reason the question came into the recent entrance exam means the Ghumar song. Ghumar is a folk dance of Rajasthan, and we have a movie called Rani Padmavati. In that Rani Padmavati movie, there is a song, Ghumar, 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 Ghumar. So that kind of song is there. For that song, the choreographer the choreographer means who composed the dance for a song. The choreographer, this Ghumar song selected for Best National Choreography Award. So that is also important. That comes under awards, National Film Awards, and National Choreography Award goes to this Ghumar song from Rani Padmavati. This how the exam interlinked this question. He take the current affairs portion, this national award for choreography for this song. This song dance is from the Ghumar Rajasthan folk dance. So we need to interlink this, the GK, what we are learning, what we are knowing, and we keep following the news, current affairs. If any of the GK related topic repeated or comes into the news in a recent, we need to make a note of them. So this Ghumar dance question comes like that only. So because it got a National Choreography Award for this song in the Rani Padmavati movie. So dance forms, the GK part, and current affairs national award. He interlinked that and given a question like this. So we need to follow the current affairs, any film awards, and this kind of on the classical dance or folk dances. Next, Punjabi state, the Bhangra and Gidda. Bhangra is a male version dance in Punjab state, and Gidda is a female version dance. We saw in many Punjabi songs, Balle Balle kind of, those dance is Bhangra and Gidda. Bhangra is a male version dance, Gidda is a female version dance. Next, Haryana. In Haryana, Jhumar, Rasleela, Bhang or Phalgan dance. These three are very very important from Haryana. Remember this Jhumar. In Jharkhand also Jhumar dance is important folk dance in Jharkhand. In Punjab we have Gidda. In Maharashtra we have Grida dance. Sometimes the word sounding is similar, but we need to remember very carefully. Gidda from Punjab, Grida from Madhya Pradesh. I will show you in the Madhya Pradesh state. Next, Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir, when it comes to Jammu Kashmir, it is important Rauf and Kud Dandi Nach and Dumhal. Rauf and Kundi Dhand are very important folk dance from Jammu Kashmir. So remember these two. Next, Himachal Pradesh. In the Himachal Pradesh state, Nati and Dangi. Nati is a very important folk dance because it is created World Guinness Book Record in 2016 or 17. So it is in news. Nati folk dance from Himachal Pradesh created Guinness World Book Record. So you need to remember Nati and Dangi. These are two important folk dances from Himachal Pradesh. Next, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is also state that is separated from Uttar Pradesh. So you need to remember these folk dances from Uttarakhand. Cholia, Bharatanatyam, Ras Leela. Ras Leela is already seen in Haryana and also seeing in Uttarakhand. In Uttar Pradesh also we will be seeing Ras Leela because Ras Leela is a main folk dance, one of the main folk dances in Uttar Pradesh. Uttarakhand is also separated from Uttar Pradesh only, so Ras Leela might also performing in Uttarakhand, and Haryana is also surrounding state to the Uttarakhand. So in Haryana also Ras Leela. So Ras Leela is very important in Uttarakhand and Haryana. If questions come like Ras Leela folk dance associated with the which state? If Haryana is not there, then the answer will be Uttar Pradesh. If Uttar Pradesh is not there, Haryana will be the answer. If Haryana and Uttar Pradesh both are not there, then Uttarakhand may be the answer. So remember like that. The next state, Uttar Pradesh. See here Ras Leela also came, and Natanki, Ras Leela, Mayuri Nritya. So these three are very important folk dances from Uttar Pradesh. Next, Bihar. In Bihar we have Jata Jatin. This is one folk dance name, and Bako Bakain. Bako Bakain, Jata Jatin. These two are important Bihar state folk dances. Next, Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, it is important dances are Matki dance, Gangaur dance, and Girida dance. I explained right. In Punjab we have Gidda. That is woman female version dance in Punjab, Gidda. Girida dance is in from Madhya Pradesh. So don't get confused. Sometimes the word sound very similar. Gidda, Girida. Gidda from Punjab, Girida from Madhya Pradesh. Garba, we have another Garba from Gujarat. So next, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh, these are two very important. Panti and Raut Nach. Panti Nach, Raut Nach. These are important folk dances from Chhattisgarh. Next, Odisha. From Odisha, Gumara. In some books or in some people calling it as Gumara, or some books it is reading as Gumra. We have also seen Gumar from Rajasthan. Don't get confused. So again the Gumara or Gumra and Gumar. These words sounding is very similar. So don't get confused. Gumar, Ghumar. There is no A letter after R in Rajasthan Gumar. In case of Odisha Gumra, there is a letter after R. Gumra or Gumra. Gumara from Odisha. Gumar from Rajasthan. Don't get confused. Remember. And last time the people did a mistake. I explained right. Gumar folk dance question came in exam. Some people got confused. Gumara and Gumar. Some people got answer as Rajasthan. That is right. Some people selected answer as Odisha, because in Odisha also this sounding is same. Gumara, Gumra. So some people who are not remember these folk dances correctly, they got confused and selected wrong questions. They unnecessarily lose marks. So that's how I am stretching about the some word dance name soundings sometimes similar. We need to be careful while reading and remembering. Gidda, Grida, Gumar, Gumra, Jhumar, Ras Leela. So take care. Next, Gumra, Chavo. I explained Chavo is a dance form. It is recommended for considering as a classical dance form by various scholars. So this is very important. So Chavo, when it comes to Chavo dance form, the first answer might be the Odisha. If Odisha is not there, then select West Bengal. If Odisha, West Bengal also not there, then go for Bihar. If Bihar is also not there, then go for Chhattisgarh. So Chau dance performed in these four states: West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar, Jharkhand. So, and next dance form is Rukmar Nacha. This is also from Odisha. In Odisha also we have one classical dance form, that is Odissi. Next, Jharkhand. Jharkhand is a state that is separated from Bihar. So here Jharkhand is Jhumar. This Jhumar dance form is also we saw in Haryana state. So whenever this Jhumar folk dance question came, first you need to check whether Haryana is presented or Jharkhand present. If either of the present, then go with any an option. So if Jharkhand is not there, maybe Haryana is the answer. If Haryana is not there, Jharkhand is not there. Sometimes if both Haryana and Jharkhand are there, Punjab is there. So Punjab is a border state to the Haryana. So we need to select that way. So if both Bihar, Jharkhand and Haryana both are not there, when question comes on Jhumar, then we need to select the surrounding states. If Punjab is there, then we need to select Punjab. If both Haryana and Jharkhand is not there in the answers option. Okay. Next, West Bengal, Chavo. See, Chavo came in Odisha and also in West Bengal. Don't get confused. We need to remember, if see the answer options, if both Odisha and Bengal came, then you select West Bengal. If West Bengal is not there, you select Odissi. If Odissi is also not there, try to identify if Bihar is there or not. If Bihar is also not there, then check for Jharkhand. Next, West Bengal, Chavo. After Chavo, Jatri. These two are important folk dances for Bengal state. Next, Sikkim. Sikkim is also one of the important states from the northeast state, because in Sikkim, the three country people, Tibet, Nepal, Indian. So three countries people are living in Sikkim state, and Bhutan also. Bhutan, Nepal, Tibetan. Not only Indian. These three Tibetan community people will be living in Sikkim. Bhutan country community people will be living. Nepal people community will be there. So there very huge diversity there in Sikkim state. It's a very famous for tourism also. So the important dance form in Sikkim state are Singhi, Cham, Yak, Cham, Maruni, mask dance. Remember this: Singhi, Cham, Yak, Cham, Maruni, mask dance. And next, Assam. Assam is a very important state when it comes to the dance forms in India, because most of the folk dances originated from Assam only. Most of the northeast states are got separated from Assam territory only. So Bihu is a very important festival is also there on Bihu name. In that festival, the Assam people used to perform this Bihu dance. It's a harvesting festival. So once the crops, the farmers harvest their crops with the happiness, they will play this dance Bihu. Next, Bagurumba, Vajapali. These three are very important. Out of these three, Bihu. After Bihu, Bagurumba. Remember, very important from Assam. Next, Meghalaya. Meghalaya, the folk dance is Laho. Remember, Meghalaya, Laya, Laho. Like that, remember. Next, Arunachal Pradesh. From Arunachal Pradesh, Bardo Cham. Very important. Don't get confused. If you remember Cham from Sikkim, in Arunachal Pradesh also Cham word is came. So Bardo Cham. Remember in Bardoli, some bridge name is also there in Arunachal Pradesh, and this Bardo name. So Arunachal Pradesh folk dance is Bardo Cham. Next, Nagaland. Nagaland, the folk dance in Nagaland is Changlo. Remember Changlo. Next, Manipur state. From Manipur state we have one classical dance, that is Manipuri, and the folk dance is Tang Ta. Tang Ta. Remember. Next, Mizoram. From Mizoram it is also very important. Chira. Chira dance is also known as bamboo dance. Chira dance or bamboo dance, both are same. Next, the last one is Tripura. Tripura state is having important folk dance is Hosagiri. So these are the important folk dances. So for the first time you feel it is very difficult, even for reading also you may feel difficulty, but don't bother. Go through this material couple of times until you get comfortable with these wordings, and try to read carefully, remember. And how I explained the Chavu, Rasalila, Gumar, Kidda, Grida, don't get confused. So which dance form from which state? Okay. Next we will see the. So this is how why India is rich in cultural heritage. These states having a wide variety of cultural heritage. Culture is a very broad concept, a very big concept. In culture consists of the literature, religions, communities, dance, festivals, traditions from each state, each territory. Within the state also, various religious people will be living in India. Each religion again will be having some tribes. So the dress style, eating style, the festival celebrations, religious activities, the and literature, poets, authors, dances, music, classical music, folk music, the musical instruments, arts. There are 64 arts, and dance form is one of the important 64 arts. So this is how each state have its own heritage style, heritage value. So in this map we can see which state is this is with respect to only dance, the cultural dance. So Andhra Pradesh Kuchipudi, Vilasini Natyam, Tamil Nadu Bharatanatyam, the Kerala both Kathakali and Mohiniyattam, the Rajasthan the Ghumar dance, Gujarat Dhandi, Garba, and Punjabi Bhangra, this Punjabi style Balle Balle. So this is Jammu Kashmir, and this is Uttar Pradesh Kathak. So these are very important. So I will be sharing this material with you. Go through it, read a couple of times. So this is very important, easy, but at the same time difficult to remember the each dance form from which state without confusion. We will be getting definitely one question, 1 mark in RMS sector in Sainik. Nowadays also we need to remember this, what are the classical dance, what are the folk dance. So in mental ability we will be having odd man out. So you will be giving 4 options out of 4, 3 questions, 3 options are from classical dance, 1 is from folk dance. So you need to take odd one out. In that case we need to take out the folk dance. So even nowadays people also need to learn all this, the folk dances. So thank you.